Hi friends, welcome back to ssh-keygen channel. Yeah, everyone doing great. I think today we are going to discuss about ethical hacking, and on that ethical hacking, we are going to see about today a SSH cracking. And before I'm starting this section, and this is for a completely educational purpose only. Okay, don't you misuse anywhere in real world. Okay? And before we are going to start the SSH brute force attack, I want to say you for a few things for you. And I am using today a Metasploit tool, and also you need to check the your SSH port is open or not in your Linux. Okay, how to check that one means, and you don't know your IP address means simply type IPA, and here you can see your IP address, and just here nmap -p22 type your IP address. It will be show if your SSH is open means it will be show your SSH is open. Yeah, you can see here my SSH port is currently open. And I need to check this one is it is really work or not using my PowerShell window. Okay. You open your PowerShell and you need to type some commands, and it will be show you your port is open or not. I will show you that one. Thing is not visible for you. Give a minute. It's PowerShell. Yeah, you open your PowerShell and you need to check here the if SSH port is connecting or not. For that one, you should use SSH username Harsha at the rate, and you can give my IP address 192.168. And 31.88 is ask password type. Yeah, you can see here I am able to connect my Linux machine through the PowerShell PowerShell PowerShell. Okay, you need to check this one later. You should close this one, and we're going to start our attack. Okay? Yeah, you already see the SSH port is open. Now we are going to start our own Metasploit. You can type simply msf console, and it will be opened a Metasploit. It's take a few seconds. It take a few seconds, and you should wait, and it will be open. Metasploit is open, and you can type here use SSH, and it will be show you some options, and we need to search here SSH login. Okay, somewhere is there, and we should search that one, and we can use that one, and you can see here. Now we are going to use this one SSH scan logs. Okay, copy this one and paste here. Now we type show options. It will be show some options. Yeah, and here I'm going to say you some basic things before we are going to start our attacks, and you should prepare a some documents. I will show that one, like a username and I think that one in my ls. Yeah, ls and cat show.1 txt, and here are the left hand side is the usernames and right hand side is the login password, and is one of these are the password and admin, and we need to type like this one, and first we are going to type and username and next is password, username password. Mm, why it will be used for you in upcoming show. Yeah, here we're going to set a some, you need to change some states, and here what we are going to change means here stop on successful false. Okay, we need to turn that one in true. Okay, for that one, and for that one we should use set and stop on success true. Okay, we need to mention that one true. Okay, it's true. Now we're going to check show options. It will be an, yeah, it will be stop when we are going to identify or crack that password username, and it will be automatically stop. Okay, and next we are going to set a username files. Okay, username files, and for that one we should type this commands: set user pass file, and we need to give a specific path, what we are previously we created some node, right? Words and passwords, all this one, and we should give that one, and for that one we need to pwd. Here we are, and we should, sorry for that one, and copy this one. Yeah, paste here. Okay, name. Okay, show to Harsha-1 txt. Okay, it will be set. We run a next, we are going to run a explode. Okay, explode or run, there are two options. What you want to run, you should run. Okay, I'm going to run explode, and attack will be brute force attack will be start, and when the passwords and username will be get, automatically the brute force will be stop, and it will you display a username and password. Okay, just a minute. R host, sorry guys, I'm to forget to set a R host, and we are going to set that one R host, and we are going to give our IP address 192.168 dot and 31.88. I think that one is the my IP address we checked previously, right? We need to verify that one again. Right, 31.181. Yeah, that one is my IP address. I'm going to set that one a listener. Yeah, it will be set, and this is time to, we are going to see again options. You need to change any oh, no need, is everything is fine. Now we are going to start the attack. Okay, explode, it will be start a brute force attack, and after we get the credentials it will automatically show. Yeah, you can see here, and successfully it will be crack the password and username. You can see here Asha is the username, and password is the root. Okay, this is the video guys, and we are going to see upcoming videos how to crack the telnet and some of the ports. Okay, and we are going to take some classes also, like how we are going to analyze this all ports are opened or not using the nmap. Okay, I hope you understand well. and we're going to see in the upcoming videos, guys. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe so far. Okay, thank you guys for your support.